Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, sat in the garage once more. Harry has been busy decorating this week, so we're slowly but surely coming together. I've been travelling on emergency business, so out and about and around the UK. Nice to see you, nice to check in. Hope everything okay with you and things looking up as we move towards summer here in the UK. Just wanted to talk about what a great privilege it is to do this whole channel. Arry the Stag has really snowballed over the last couple of 3 years, and thank you for all your wonderful support and fan mail and everything that comes in. It's really great to see. And this week we've had a really interesting video in from Bill and Liam over in Toronto in Canada, and he's one of our official Arry the Stag roving reporters from around the world. And incidentally, if you'd like to do this, please feel free. We feel it's going to add a lot of value to the channel and be very interesting for people to dip into and out of. Anyhow, let Bill and Liam pick up the story with a check-in from Canada. Over we go.
All right, so this message is for Arry the Stag. He's a roving reporter from Canada, a self-appointed roving reporter. And of course we've got TR Tony there. And maybe I should give you a nickname, Liam. Like, I'm thinking...
Prepare to exit.
Dipstick.
I think it needs some work.
So we're kind of fortunate here. We're coming down from Kingston. Oh, scan to see the traffic. This is us on the 401. It's one of the busiest highways. God, we're going back for that. The busiest highways, around about 410,000 vehicles an hour pass through here. Although one traffic jam and it just backs up.
Let's take a long way around.
Yeah, I know. Might go through Toronto. This is the bypass to Toronto. It's unbelievably busy. Anyway, we're going down to see Tony Fox. Tony Fox has a lot of parts for us. For the Stag, and I don't know if he owns a Triumph Stag or not, but we'll soon find out. So that's our journey for today. We were supposed to pick up the soft top and go and see a Triumph V8 engine, but they're both in red areas, so we'll let that slide for just now. And then all we're going down here is we'll go down, we'll see Tony, and then if we can get the parts, good stuff, and we'll take it from there. And now we are slowing down. All right. And we're at Tony Fox's house. A labyrinth of parts and spaces to hold them, and of course this is Tony's. You get 2 stags, 3 stags. Good grief! Beautiful colour of red. Been working on it for 3 years. Now I do like these wheels.
I do too. That's the Panasport look-alike. I don't think they're actually Panasport, but they look like.
Yeah.
Oh, Mini Light, sorry, not Panasport, Mini Light. They suit the car, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, they do, and they've got a beefy feel to it.
Yeah.
And the engine.
Take a look under the hood.
Oh my gosh! Look at this. This is perfect.
This car was stripped to a bare shell.
Look at that, absolutely pristine. And we've changed it from twin Strombergs.
Yeah, it's got a Holly. That's a Holly.
It's a Holly carburetor on it, 4-barrel.
Yes.
And what was the color called again?
Pimento.
Pimento.
Pimento red.
Oh, this is a stunner. Now, how often do you get out in it?
Well, I haven't done many miles with it yet because I really only got on the road early last year.
All right.
And that was when the pandemic came, so we didn't do any shows or cruises. So I've probably done 50, 100 miles maybe.
And that's it?
And it's got a 4-speed overdrive.
Right.
And it flies. This engine really flies.
Now, what kind of work did you have done to the engine?
Well, when I bought the car, I bought it as an unfinished project. The guy had the body painted, and it was just a bare shell sitting on its wheels. No wiring, no steering, nothing. And he said the engine had been rebuilt. Well, nobody could tell me what they'd done to it.
All right, okay.
So in the end I contacted his part supply, which was Paddocks. And they said, oh, we sell rings.
That was it?
And that was it. So that's got to come apart, and a good job I did. There was a lot of things wrong with it.
Well,
So I rebuilt it. I bored it and put new pistons 20 over,
Mm-hmm.
balanced the crank,
Mm-hmm.
and it runs really nice. It really holds.
Yeah. Now I see we've also upgraded the radiator.
Yes, he had this made, and I had a heck of a job to get it to fit. It was not
Yeah,
a good fit, but I did get it in eventually.
And how do you get that battery in and out?
You've got to remove the power steering pump.
Wow.
What you do is you take 3 bolts on the belt, you lay it over here, and then you can pull the battery out.
Interesting, interesting. This is so clean and tidy compared to mine. And I see you've also got a spare,
Yes,
just in case that one breaks.
just in case. Yeah, it's a good thing to do.
Yeah. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful.
You have a look inside.
Oh, it's got the red piping. Oh, look at that dash. There you go. Yeah, watch your zips. Look at that dash. Isn't that gorgeous?
That's a walnut dash, and the customized floor mats. I don't think it's in that side, but this one's got a logo on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm so envious.
Now I just put a new rag top on
Right.
last fall. I got a couple of seals to put on, and it's finished.
Yeah. So who did this for you?
I did it myself.
Oh, really? I was told it was really quite awkward, quite difficult.
It's a weekend's work,
Yeah.
and I made up a set of instructions on how to do it,
Uh-huh.
and if you follow those, it's okay. But
Yeah.
it's a weekend's work.
Yeah.
The majority of the work is all the puppeting the seals
Yeah.
and the velcros. Actually getting the top on only takes a couple of hours.
Really?
It's all the finishing off, it takes the time.
Oh.
So it's a
Can I open this?
yes, of course.
There we go. Oh.
So these are the seals I got to put on.
Aye.
That was going to be a winter project, I never got to it.
All right. So where's your other 2 stags?
Well, one's over at my lady friend's. She has a garage that she can't use,
Uh-huh.
and the other one's up at a friend's farm up at Rockwood.
Yeah.
It's a magenta one. The other one. Mine's a yellow one, my old timer. I've had that about 28 years now.
Uh-huh.
The other one we got a year and a half ago last December, with a bad engine, is magenta.
Uh-huh.
So my son and I rebuilt the engine. It was a number 5 rod had gone really bad. So lucky it didn't come to the side.
Yeah.
It was knocking real bad. So that runs good now. This one, I did a few extras. I got power mirrors,
Mm-hmm.
power antenna,
Yeah.
power locks.
And power locks.
Yeah.
All right.
I put a mirror on that has interior lights, because the interior lights are not very good on these.
Yeah.
So it shines down. So yeah, when you're
Some
bored,
nice
you
wee
do
bits.
these things. Yeah.
That's super. All right. Well, thank you very much for showing us around your car.
You're very welcome.
On behalf of the roving reporter for Harry the Stag and my associate Dipstick.
Anytime.
Thanks very much, guys.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Sincere thanks to Bill and to Liam. It's a rather unfortunate kind of handle he's given you there, Liam. My apologies, but it might just stick. You never know. But no, great. We need one also for Bill, actually. Bill, please, if you can send in yours, we'll happily add it to the channel. But really great, fellas. Thank you so much for going down to see Tony. And Tony, once again, thank you for showing us your Stag. It's a beautiful car, plus the other cars you've got there as well, I know. Really, really lovely to see. And as I say again, if any of you guys also want to shoot some film, get them over to us. We'll happily do it. Obviously, 1 or 2 things you need to be careful of in terms of technically how you do it, but very pleased to share that on the channel going forward. And as you know, for those that have been watching the channel for quite some time, people that do things with things for the channel, good stuff as we call it, get special rewards. And for Tony, already on its way this week in the post is an Arry the Stag Bobbleat, which is a signature gift that is straight from the team here at Arry the Stag to you, Tony. So that's on its way over to you in Canada. And these are priceless. You can't buy these. These are only given to people who do good stuff for the channel. So thank you very much indeed. I know Bill and Liam, you've both got one of these already, but there will be some additional things on their way to you. And if I can just grab them off camera, it's an Arry the Stag golden gong. So you'll be getting one of these each, fellas, in the post, and that will be on its way to you, or on their way to you very shortly, plus some other goodies as well. And don't forget, if ever you're out and about in your stag soon, then summer is not far from around the corner, and we have these wonderfully appointed Arry the Stag sunglass shades, which again I know the boys have got these too. So branded Arry the Stag and sharing the Classics Dream. So can't be bad for summer. Looking forward to Easter. Hopefully we can get out and about in the cars. Fingers crossed. I've got to fix my fan first, for those who were watching the film last week. So that's a job I've got to do probably this weekend. I will film it as we're doing it, of course. And Arry himself brought home his impact driver yesterday. So hopefully we can get that crankshaft pulley bolt off to get the torque control unit back on. So that's the cunning plan for this weekend. Okay, so that's about it from me this weekend, folks. Thanks for everybody for all your loving emails and texts and pictures. Keep coming, keep sending them in. We're very happy to share them with everybody. And also we do Saturday Sockets email on a Saturday, so please sign up and get that. It's free of charge. There's lots of off-camera shenanigans. We've got lots of pics and stories and all sorts of stuff coming in from around the world, so we'll keep pumping that out as well. It's all about sharing the Classics Dream and enjoying the Triumph Stag and the Triumph Mark as well, plus other classics as well, because we're all Anoraks, aren't we? We absolutely love it. Good stuff. Finally, and before I go, don't forget either to grab hold, if you want, of your complimentary free Arry the Stag badge of honour. Again, that's available on our website, so just go there, click on it, and we'll send you one of these free of charge anywhere in the world. Stick it on your car, whether it's a Stag, Triumph or not, doesn't matter. And so that's, again, all about the badge of honour for Arry the Stag. Cool. Have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now. Have a good one. Bye.